say illegal. A constitution si nimpefe say wo momre beso nesia epo. Mo se yanka tro mo off. Mo ma yemfa sa police station fo no entake decision. MPP amanyokuo. Ye kokotena ase the National Council and the National Executive Committee no edin hihye ba abonten. Hihye no omo wani no a describe sense hihye we dey a novel. Ayen hihye ya de ba ebeboa pa. Obi so adwen ye ne se san hihye we dey e ma ne ma medi frabera. San hihye we anya amase ye de ba be favor frabera bio. Na mom ye hihye no to save the party say. Obi oba we ne bia no ebe save the party. Ewo eniema ekoso se be ya obi en take advantage in kansem enfan sekuo no na ewia makwa akoka se abronye emeye damage control that be continue se be ya ye be kiosa eniema no nyina nti ena National Council and the National Executive Committee na no duada party mpanfo se mutie ya eye okuoda na meka na wa ha General Secretary so aka say decision na ba house ho no enipa ba akokora no otimi pagya ne nsaka say media memfo aso enti say ne mo hu se nkrofo bi ne nam abonten na meme ko bi na meme ka say eyentro amamfo ebinu omo kekasa na ebinum se be omo yenya atwem na mom womo ka nyina no na me kai polling station for say ye ma momfie nan o Monfie 9 and so ye. Ebasun January. Catchra say won sem fata and ne utumi no. Almost utumi no yen you utumi nim free wunsam by August no we a polling station near yen you utumi nim free wunsam. And now Frabera be catchra say by August no we electoral area coordinator yen you 2 million free unsem. And nay Frabera be catchra say your constituency officer by August no yen you 2 million free unsem. Sasa 2 million ya nyedia or no ne Frabera no ontimi nidia e kabi bichro sa nipa no onu mum nempe unity. E ba ne say ne de 2 million ama polling station for mfie 9. Na se mfie 9 nso ya wo se sa polling station ni no me de ne yahwe wo party ni mu a enye yie se mo ma polling station fo no kwan ebe ye bibi wo MPP mu a ye take decision a ye nyi polling station executives a wo mo mre nso ye no emfrim so mo take decision ni bia e ma me ni frabera e ba ne say na aye frabera Unya adwene say electoral area coordinators ye take decision to me ni gusu kitana no ye nyi sa to me no emfiri ni nsam enye sa meme frabera na ntimi nya adwuma polling station for nsem fata some be partake MPP activities sanse ofi say omo na de party no equal opposition mo kasa no because of say mo frabera sepunti no eneya mo kasa polling station executives when sem fata say ye do omo be take decision wa MPP mu no ye ko frabera elections ni wia mo say omo sem fata no ye ko wia ne ye to aba no wia wo be kwa akoka kire omo say afedi omo sem fata enti omo meka kuo no na mo nya adwuma na the big question and na nwumre eno no because enei mama yate ase say omo sem fata Onen yira ne ma all the polling station executives, all the electoral area coordinators, all the constituency executives omo wo ho nei a mo se omo nsem fatai omo no omo yira no omo mane abusuanfo to aba enne mo se yenyu omo nchinsen wo mo tumi na ye de ama omo 4 years no yen cutting off ye take decision we should ignore the constituency executives mayen fa omo nka ho se ye ma constituency executives a omo time enya nso ye na ebeso nesia epo ye do omo ko take decision bia na frabera fo binum se eye illegal a constitution si nimpefe se wo momre beso nesia epo mo se yanka tro mo off Mama yam fasa polling station for no and take a decision. Electoral area coordinators, womu take a decision enye ye polling station enye ye omon semfata. Mo kasano see the polling station executives wenom. Ye the electoral area coordinators wenom. Ye the constituency executives wenom take a decision. Decision like say ye do mo kwa yi fra beraship the chaos nebeba dia. The big question this evening is say, Safra Bera for na mo kasa asem say, ye do mo take a decision and the chaos bebano. After the presidential primaries, so mo ba be kan ho ma ya campaign dia, and no the emfa chaos ma. Ye bisamo, and no the emfa chaos ma. Na neya wunya omono because omo ye polling station executives omo penso. And MPP lusu ye, and to a month some fata bibia or people mu biem dia. Ye real frabera se prona se okoko winia. And only the over here mwana. Because who so on some fata, who about 20 on some fata, ye didn't take a decision. Knowing very well send a time on your day, and soon ye, but also ye to me and free in some because or your polling station officer only come for a hadie a fear or here TV or benya come for. And the polling station executives across the country may catch them or someone sorry. Polling station executives across the country may call upon you say na numere or here TV so someone sorry waka. Electoral area coordinators. Yeah, can the foundation of every party be the polling station executives? And to mama yamfa buoni anidie ema ye polling station executives no. Mama yankasa frabera ship elections inti wamon semfata. And to ye do mo take decision ye wamre kwa ye nimpefe se polling station executives wamomre ebeso nesia epo. Eti yenyu omunsin chen by force. Polling station executive way. Platform we were homamo. Samon sorry waka. Mutumi na yesi yemfa munsin chen na mon fatano o here TV wo homamo. Samon kasa. Momo bia umfa ni sika ehuna mo. Moma elomansi bia oti MPP mo emfa ni sika ehuna mo. Samon samfata. Amanfo aye omo se MPP mo elomase fo womo na wosika enti omo ka polling station fo no womo je polling station fo no tumi afiri omo nsam sanse decision we na ye take no e yaskafo decision enti yempia polling station fo no ensin chen na polling station fo no ensem fata electoral area coordinators womo nsem fata because womo na hwema elusu aba. But sa polling station for no de yan kan tro mo say o mo na hwe so em ye we ni about 2016 ya na o mase sa polling station for na ye sebe ye toto ntasuo egu o mo so say wo mo na ma ye lusu lesson 2020 no yan kai anhu say 2016 the same polling station for and the ba power yan kai anhu say 2020 the same polling